Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a recovery partition in Windows 11. So first I will go in the disk management, so I will go in the start and then I will right click and then I will click disk management. So I have more than one partition, recovery partition, which is not required. One is enough and the recommended size in Windows 11 is around 2 GB. So I'm going to delete this particular partition. So for that I will open the command prompt. It is highly recommended to first disable the Windows recovery environment before deleting any partition. For that, I will execute this command for disabling the recovery environment. So just copy and paste the command over here, and operation successful. Recovery environment has been disabled. Now is the time to execute few more commands. So now, since I have only one disk, which is disk 0, so I'm going to first go in my disk 0. So I will type the command select disk 0. This command will not be executed because first I will have to type the command disk part, and now I'm going to execute the command select disk 0. Now I'm in my disk 0. Now I want to see how many partitions are in my disk 0. For that I will type the command list partition and I will press enter. And now I'm going to look for this particular recovery partition. So this one is this partition number 6. Size is around 2000 MB. So what I can do is I will go in my partition number 6 first, select partition 6 and enter. Now I'm into my partition 6. Now I'm going to delete this partition. For that I will execute this command. Just copy and paste the command over here, delete partition override, and I will press enter. This partition has been deleted. Space has been unallocated. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just right click and I will extend volume. I can add this space in my E directory. Next, finish. Now look, I have now only one recovery partition. The previous one has been deleted. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.